On November 16th, Canada released its highly anticipated read on CPI. Now, the headline numbers came in slightly lower than expected, with month-over-month increase of 0.7%, below the expectations of 0.8%. The initial move in the Canadian dollar versus the US dollar was a knee-jerk move lower as the market entertained hopes that inflation slowing in Canada may mean a less aggressive monetary policy from the Bank of Canada. The loonies move lower lacked meaningful follow-through, though, possibly because of the simultaneous release of the U.S. retail sales data, which came in significantly higher than expected at up 1.3% month-over-month versus expectations of up 1%. The Canadian dollar's had a sizable run-up since putting in a low against the dollar on October 13th, rallying over 5.5% to a recent high on November 11th. Now, much of the loony strength seems to be coming from the lower-than-expected U.S. CPI number back on November 10th, which pushed the dollar index below the significant technical level of 110 and changed expectations for Federal Reserve future rate moves. The CME Fedwatch tool now favors a probability of a 4.75% to 5% terminal Fed funds rate, down from a previous 5 to 5.25%. Now, the CME group offers three different size currency contracts: the standard, the mini, and the micro, in order to match a trader up with their preferred risk tolerance. We're going to be using the micro in these examples. If a trader believes that the Canadian dollar could head lower from here, they could express that by selling the December micro Canadian dollar futures contract at 0.7533 and target a move to the psychological level of 0.7400. A stop for this trade could be placed above at 0.7630. This trade could make $133 if the target is reached and risks $97 if you're stopped out at your level. Now, if a trader believes that the Canadian dollar could move higher from here, they could buy the December micro Canadian dollar futures contract at 0.7533 and target a move to the September highs of 0.7700. A stop for this trade could be placed below at 0.7440. This trade could make $167 if the target is reached and risks $93 if you're stopped out at your level.